Bread. A soft, baked food made from flour, water, and yeast. I tried making bread, but it came out looking like a rock, perfect for self-defense. Rice. A small, white or brown grain that people cook and eat. Mom's rice pudding was so good, it disappeared in seconds. Fish. An animal that lives in water and has gills, fins, and scales. I asked my fish for advice, and it said, just keep swimming. Egg. A round or oval object laid by birds, reptiles, and other animals that can grow into a baby animal. My dog thinks eggs are bouncy balls. They're not.
Soup.
Warm food made with liquid and lots of yummy things inside. I made soup with noodles, peas, and one gummy bear. Cheese. A food made from milk that can be soft or hard and comes in many different flavors. The mouse built a cheese castle but ate the door before bedtime.
Milk.
A white drink that comes from cows, often used in cereal. I tried milk with spaghetti. Not my best idea. Butter. A soft, yellow spread made from milk, used on bread or for cooking. I accidentally sat on butter. Now I glide everywhere. Apple. A round fruit that is usually red, green, or yellow. It's sweet, crunchy, and grows on trees. I tried to juggle 3 apples, but one hit me on the head. Guess it wanted to be applesauce. Chicken. A bird that lays eggs and sometimes runs around like it forgot what it was doing. I tried to have a serious conversation with a chicken, but it just clucked and walked off. Pasta. A food made from dough, shaped into noodles or other forms, and cooked. I ate so much pasta, I became 80% noodle. Cake. A sweet food made with flour, sugar, and eggs, often eaten at parties. I told my dog it wasn't his birthday. He ate the cake anyway. Salad. A mix of raw vegetables, often with dressing. Grandma says salad is good for me. I'm not sure we agree on what good means. Yogurt. A creamy food made from milk, often sweet or fruity. My yogurt had blueberries, now my t-shirt does too. Sandwich. Food made with 2 slices of bread and something tasty in the middle. I made a banana and spaghetti sandwich. Bold move. Sausage. A tube-shaped food made from meat and spices. My sausage barked. It was just my dog hiding behind it.